art is a mechanism for exploring what it means to be human and what it means to be alive. Artists are kind of researchers. If you think about a company like has an R&D department, and artists are a kind of R&D department for humanity, thinking about different possible futures. The idea of future sketches for me is more of a imaginative future. Like, what is a possible future that we could have? And as an artist, I want to suggest some possible futures. What I hope is that this work inspires other people, and also I hope people feel what code feels like. I really appreciate Artechouse, working together with them, because they have pushed me to show so many projects and really push the limits of what I would consider possible. It's a really magical space to be able to show a lot of different types of work in one venue.